Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the charts. You tune into the Crypto Flight Edition. It is your fellow composite speaking. We're speaking of the Frontier and USD pairing today. Wanted to stop in on a slightly down day to give everyone some bullish news, potential bullish news, and give you an overhead target. On the channel, we only go over support, resistance, and patterns. I found the pattern. I want to show you an ascending line of potential financial support so that we're all on the same page, just in case the markets continue to go lower, and a few price levels to understand if the buyers are actually going to step in here in the short term. So let's get into those details. Loyal subscribers, welcome back. If you're new, consider joining us. So let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's April the 2nd, 2021, and the current price of the cryptocurrency front in USD pair is going to be $2.72. It's down approximately 2.1% for the day. Okay. The symbol is FRONTBTC. I'm assuming you can get this on Binance and potentially other places. So, of course, let us know that down in the comment section. Okay, so here's what we've been following if you know. That's it. Really simple. Ladies and gentlemen, you're looking at a broadening, descending wedge pattern. It has broken out. So initially, it entered the pattern right here at about February the 17th, 2021. And it appears that there has been an official breakout March the 13th, 2021 at about $2.44. Now, this is actually pretty important because if the market has officially broken out, the only thing it needs to do is either stay within a particular range, and let me just kind of erase everything so we're all clear about a particular range. So it should either stay within a sideways consolidation, something like this, okay? And the lower line is going to be at approximately $1.93, and of course the overhead line of resistance. This is pretty clear to see, guys. I can't make that up. These are daily candles. It's $3.16. So if this is an official breakout, one of two things will happen. Again, it'll stay within this sideways consolidation, okay? Just bounce up and down within this range. Or the alternative financial support that I think I found on an ascending line would be somewhere right about here. Now, if the market stays above this ascending financial support line, then it's likely we'll get a test at some point here in the future. Let's just call it like within the next 72 hours. So if the market continues down today, then it's likely what has happened in the past. We're only going like 2 reference points. So this is like super limited data, guys. So as you notice here, the market came down to this ascending financial support line at March the 12th, 2021 at about $2. Okay, it bounced off that line. And of course, the next time it found financial support at that line is right here at about March the 26th, 2021. Hopefully we can all agree and say, okay, that's interesting. So within the next 72 hours, assuming that the markets are not just going to have a very aggressive move to the downside, because again, if it happens today, these are daily candles. If you see the price down at $2.48, then it's likely from the 2 reference points that we've just pointed out, the buyers are going to attempt to step into the market. I don't think that's going to happen today, so let's just speculatively say that it'll take place over the next 72 hours. So what we'll do is we'll count this day. Well, actually, we won't count this day. We'll just kind of extend it on over all the way over to like April the 5th, 2021, and that's going to be at, let's just say there's a slow, methodic move to the downside. Then it's likely the markets will react, okay, at April the 5th, $2.54 right here at that line, okay? This isn't like a bearish video, guys. This is simply pointing out the pattern that we've already discovered. We've also verified the breakout. Now, of course, to continue the overall trajectory, which I don't think we mentioned, which is to the upside, it's definitely in a very aggressive momentum play to the upside. And assuming that this will continue, it's likely the market will find financial support at this ascending line and continue higher. Now, one of the things that we do is I shouldn't have erased the pattern because this is the pole here, and what we do is we actually measure the pole on the breakout, which is no longer there. You can't see it, right? And the target is like $5.49, just a very unusual way that I found the target, so you can actually skip that part. But that is the overhead target, not the full potential. That's just the technical target on what we measured on the breakout from the descending wedge pattern. It's $5.40. And again, I'm pretty sure this cryptocurrency has an immense amount of potential that's probably going to obliterate that level. This isn't a video saying that it's only going to go up to that level and of course come down. That's just a technical target, guys, okay? So this video is pretty much, we're going to wrap it up here. You guys have the time frame, again, within the next 72 hours. If there is financial support to step into this market, maybe it'll be associated with some news or something like that. I'm not sure, guys. But the technical explanation would be that the market has found financial support at an ascending trend line. And, of course, it will continue the trajectory to the upside. Maybe go through a little bit of volatility to the, sideways as it continues to walk up this ascending line of financial support. And then meet that overhead target overhead. Now, the most critical level we've already gone over. Just keep in mind, guys, if the market goes down, there's not just buyers in this market. There's buyers and sellers. If the market continues down, I guess the worst case scenario would be like $1.96, but I don't want to give you guys millions of numbers. It's really simple. If the market is walking up the stairs, then it will continue to stay above this white line here at about $2.33 as a potential practical level for it to get close to. It doesn't have to get all the way down there, but at least find some sort of financial support just above that level and continue to walk up the stairs, making a new high at 325. Okay, so I know that was like a lot of numbers, but the only real number that I would be focusing on, you have to pull up your charts though, guys, and put the ascending line back on the chart and just simply focus on that as a potential financial support line for the buyers to step into this market if the downwards pressure will continue in the market, as it is a slightly down day right now. But for those long-term investors, I mean, there you have it, guys. I mean, you can use this as an opportunity to continue to increase your portfolio. And for those of you who have not entered the market yet, maybe this will be some sort of reference point that you can understand to where to enter the market. But of course, don't use this as financial advice, guys. Okay, and that is pretty much it. So hopefully you enjoyed that. Hopefully this was useful. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there if you enjoyed the content, to support the channel with the YouTube algorithm to pick up and promote the videos and everything. Also, guys, if you're new, before you go, I'd like to send you out more information pertaining to the traditional markets. We go over that 7 days a week. We'd love for you to join us here on this interesting journey. So subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll send you that when it's available. So that's it, guys. Hopefully you're doing well. Take care of yourselves. Protect your portfolio. Execute your strategies. We're going to talk soon, and bye for now.